Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
So today we're at a house here in Alamo Heights, and we've been here before, so if you've been following us, you can have seen the progression of what's going on. There's a lot going on today, and we'll walk you through with all kinds of stuff that's happened since last time.
Yeah, so just a background, this is a whole house remodel. We're doing probably a good 85% of the entire house, so technically it's a whole house. And we've asked everyone to be quiet for just a little bit so that we can record this, because there's a lot of hammering and
sawing and hammering and music.
So you wouldn't have been able to hear us. So we've got what we've had since the last time: painting, wood floors, cabinets,
electrical. So there's been a lot. So what we're going to show you right now is kind of what's happened since then. We've basically painted the whole house. Yeah. At the end, we're going to come back and do all the touch-ups, of course.
Thank you, Paper Moon Painting. You guys, phenomenal.
They're doing great.
They're even smoothing out this foyer area because they're going to do this fantastic faux application. That'll be done later. Another video. Behind us here is wood floor, actually. We've installed wood floor throughout the house except for a small area that has the emerald green tile. And in the kitchen, there's an old wood floor, and we laced in new wood floor. So we can sand the whole thing down and refinish it all. Yeah, so if anyone says, you just got to rip everything out, if you're in love with some original wood flooring that you have, and you just want to lace in some old, you can.
You can do it. It depends on the floor as well. This happens to be true thick wood flooring that you can sand and refinish, and so that's all throughout, and it's all straight lay. But in this room, which is the formal living room, you could call it, we're actually going to do a herringbone pattern, which is wood laced like that, and it'll have a border all the way around.
And Mike laid out some samples for you to see, so they kind of just.
Yeah, so you can see it's kind of herringbone, and then this bigger piece, different color, will border the entire room.
This one. This isn't the color.
No, that's just a sample to see.
A custom color blend that they made.
Since last time also, we have part of the cabinets have been installed. And so we have black for the islands.
Black onyx.
A black vent hood, and then the rest are all going to be white cabinets. Some of the cabinets have glass, which you can kind of see through. There's really nothing there, and that's where we're going to put glass with LED lighting inside. This will be a prep island, so it has its own sink, and it'll have a beverage refrigerator. The big boy here is the main island that will be seating on one side. We'll have a sink on the other side.
A waterfall edge.
Yeah, and yes, exactly. So a lot has happened. There's still a lot of work going on.
And we have, instead of taking you outside, if you can, I don't know if you can see some of the guys back there, on the exterior of the house, it's all red brick, but we had, these new windows were put in, and so we wanted the old brick to match the new brick to match the old brick, so we actually reused some old brick, so it'll look like
it's the same brick.
It was always
basically there. So and that way it looks, like Molly said, as it's always been there.
Yeah, so you would never know.
That's right.
That we were here. So you can see there's a whole lot going on. The appliances are on their way. We've got some of them. We have some of them, and some of them are still delayed, which is pretty normal these days. But they are all coming in, and they're just coming in parts, so pieces, I guess.
Yes.
And so that'll be happening, and then these are uplit, right?
Those will have LED tape lighting inside. So both these here, and then some uppers over here, and they're more of a display cabinet than really anything else.
And you've got high ceilings, so it looks real nice when you've got those extra cabinets. It gives you a little bit of extra lighting and a little atmosphere.
Yeah, it's a very nice look.
Anyway, so we're getting closer to the finish line. There's still a lot of work to be done, but there's so much that has happened since we joined, or you joined us last time. So stay tuned to future ones, because we'll definitely be back at this particular house. And you may be wondering, why are we wearing we're representing our alma
mater, I think is the word. We're
I'm an
alums.
alum.
Right. So
Of the
obviously,
University of Arizona. Today is officially March
Madness starts today.
And my school is the University of Arizona. Go Wildcats, bear down. You're going to win this. You're number 1. You're going to beat Gonzaga.
And my school's the Texas Longhorns, so I really can't say the same thing about our team, but I still support them.
We love UT, but they're not going to win.
See, there you go. The rivalry has begun.
Yeah, I want to see them. I want to see the Wildcats in San Antonio at the Sweet 16,
yes.
Then the Elite 8. Come on.
There you go. So that's why we're wearing what we're wearing.
So bear down. Anyway, so there's a shout out to our schools, and we hope you have enjoyed some Behind the Drywall and take a look at what's going on this project, and we'll see you next time. Please, if you do like what you see, make sure you click the like button. You can subscribe to see some of the other things that we're doing, and then of course share.
That's right.
Share
everything
with your friends and family. So.
Well, thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.